Welcome back to Savvypreneurship, the ideal hub for business insights and entrepreneurial strategies. In this episode, I'm diving into one of the most critical aspects of business success: how to build a brand from scratch. Whether you're launching a startup or rebranding an existing business, this is your step by step guide to creating a brand that resonates and thrives. So, let's get started. First, let's clarify what a brand is. A brand isn't just a logo or a tagline, it's the perception your audience has of your business. It's how your product or service makes them feel, what they associate with your company, and the story you're telling. Think about Apple. What comes to mind? Probably innovation, simplicity, and premium quality. That's the power of a well crafted brand. To build a brand, start by defining your purpose and values. Why does your brand exist in the first place? What do you stand for? Patagonia, the outdoor clothing brand, is built around environmental sustainability. Their commitment to the planet drives everything they do, from products to marketing. You can't create a successful brand without knowing who you're talking to. Define your target audience with precision. Ask yourself, who are they? What do they care about? What problems are you solving for them? A great example is Nike, which caters to athletes and fitness enthusiasts by inspiring them with their just do it messaging. Your USP is what sets you apart from the competition. It's the reason customers choose you over others. For instance, Warby Parker disrupted the eyewear industry by offering affordable, stylish glasses with a home try on program, a feature the competitors lacked. What unique solution can your brand provide? Now comes the creative part: crafting your visual identity. This includes your logo, color palette, typography, and overall design style. Visual consistency is key. Think about McDonald's iconic golden arches or Coca Cola's red and white branding. Every visual element should reflect your brand's personality and resonate with your audience. Your brand voice is how you communicate with your audience, whether it's casual, professional, humorous, or inspiring. Combine this with storytelling to make your brand relatable. Take Airbnb, for example. They position themselves as a platform for creating unique travel experiences, not just booking accommodations. Their messaging is personal, inclusive, and inspiring. In today's digital age, your online presence is non negotiable. Start with a professional website that reflects your brand identity. Optimize it for mobile use and ensure it's easy to navigate. Use social media to engage with your audience. Platforms such as Instagram and TikTok are great for visual storytelling. Brands like Glossier have mastered social media by building communities and sharing user generated content. Content marketing is a powerful way to establish your brand as an authority. Create blog posts, videos, and infographics that educate and entertain your audience. For example, HubSpot provides free resources and tools to attract their target market of marketers and small business owners. Consistency and authenticity are critical. Your branding should look and feel the same across all channels, from your website to social media to packaging. Authenticity builds trust. Therefore, don't try to be something you're not. Customers appreciate transparency and genuine connections. Even the best brands evolve over time. Use analytics tools to track your performance and understand what's working. Don't be afraid to tweak your strategy based on feedback. For instance, Spotify constantly refines its user experience by analyzing customer data and trends. Building a brand from scratch takes time, effort, and creativity, but the rewards are worth it. Start with a strong foundation, stay true to your purpose, and always put your audience first. Actively seek and incorporate customer feedback to refine your brand. This not only helps in creating a brand that resonates, but also fosters loyalty and trust. What's your vision for your brand? Share your ideas in the comments below. Also, kindly subscribe to this channel for more tips, strategies, and business inspiration. Until the next episode, keep building your brand methodically and stay savvy.